midnight Milky Way through a cracked windshield. The highway's never known how free this feels. I learned to drive out here, my grandpa let me steer. I still hear both hands on the wheel. Talk to God on them, we get lost on them, find our way to a rocky mountain top on them. We get stuck on them, fall in love on them, rough around the edges just like us. That's why I love dirt roads, make the world turn real slow. Feel the gravel letting go and stir it up my soul. That's why I love running wild through country miles. They're out of style, they take a while, but every winding ride will lead me home. That's why I love dirt roads. Whoa, whoa. Chasing a painted sky and river winding curves. Can't help but feel like my heaven here on earth. Yeah, out here in the quiet, I know you hear me. The stars are smiling, I feel you near me. Talk to God on them, we get lost on them, find our way to a rocky mountain top on them. We get stuck on them, fall in love on them, rough around the edges just like us. That's why I love dirt roads, make the world turn real slow. Feel the gravel letting go and stir it up my soul. That's why I love running wild through country miles. They're out of style, they take a while, but every winding ride will lead me home. That's why I love dirt roads. Whoa, whoa. That's why I love dirt roads. Sometimes they're beat up and broken, scattered and tossed in the breeze. But no matter their scars, it doesn't change what they are. That sounds a little like me, and that's why I love dirt roads. Yeah, that's why I love dirt roads. That's why I love dirt roads, make the world turn real slow. Feel the gravel letting go and stirring up my soul. That's why I love running wild through country miles. They're out of style, they take a while, but every winding ride will lead me home. That's why I love dirt. Talk to God on them, we get lost on them, find our way to a rocky mountain top on them. We get stuck on them, fall in love on them, rough around the edges just like us. That's why I love dirt roads. Whoa, whoa. That's why I love dirt roads. That's why I love dirt